My name is K.N. SIMHA, and for the last 12 years I've been working with Messrs. Exide Insurance Company as an insurance advisor. Prior to that, I was working with Messrs. Nagswamy Associates, who are importers of stone machinery and allied equipment. And then that was after my voluntary retirement from Messrs. NGEF Limited, where I took voluntary retirement in 1997 as a quality assurance manager. I was working there. And I'm an engineering graduate in mechanical and electrical engineering. I have got 12 years experience as an insurance agent with Messrs. Exide Insurance Company, which was earlier called IndianMoney Insurance Company. And generally, all the insurance products, including term insurance, life insurance endowment, child insurance, pension and allied insurance, and generally insurance of all kinds in the life insurance industry. Insurance in India, unfortunately, hasn't reached a large percentage. Insurance is basically a compensatory payment which is necessary in case of something unfortunate happening during the lifetime of a person. So we cannot be sure what is in store for us tomorrow. So it's always better to have keep an insurance policy so that the necessity of the family and other dependents will be well served in case of sudden unfortunate occurring to the main earning person in the house. It is also necessary that we can plan our life better in our own lifetime. For example, after retirement, when our earning stops, and it is then essential that we should be provided with something to lean upon and not depend on providence, because when we are working we should make allowance for the future, and so that our future life will be secure and we can get on with the life afterwards. In my case, I had built a new house and I thought of renting the premises, and I preferred to rent it out to a bank or some other institution, so wherein we can get a steady rent and also more dependable, because when you give a property on rent, you don't know what side tenant you may get or you may not get. So you must not always leave things to chance. If you get a good tenant, well and good. So I thought bank would be a better bet, both in terms of returns for the house as well as safety. So as I tried various banks, including the then IndianMoney Bank. So the representative of IndianMoney Bank had come and saw the property. However, after 2 weeks, I was called to the IndianMoney head office. So I was told that since my house is in a residential region, they have got Ing Vaishya wouldn't be able to help me because as per the RBI terms, they cannot open a bank in a residential area. So that was it. I was trying for some other financial institution. When after another 2-3 weeks, another gentleman came from ING organization, but he represented ING insurance company, and well, we had a talk, and afterwards he convinced me, well, we couldn't get a tenant as bank. However, he asked me, because I have experience in various industry as well as the stone machinery. So he said, why not you join in the insurance industry? So I took a chance, then joined. Since then I have not looked back. Of course, I rented my house subsequently, and I got a very good tenant. So only thing is, instead of a bank, L&T, Larsen and Toubro organization gave me, who's general manager of one of the units. He was my tenant for over 9 years, and that was it. So since then I am with ING. Starting with 2013, when I came to IndianMoney.com at your corporation circle office, I was introduced and then through advertisements, and the first 20 leads offered to me by IndianMoney.com, I was very happy, and because I got successful in a good number of them, and it was and naturally, you see, even to start with 50% success means it's great, So since then continued, So in one way or the other, although I continued to be with Exide Insurance only, I have also I was with the IndianMoney.com, and now since last 5-6 months, so I thought, let me try in a more comprehensive manner and make my venture more successful. Hence, I am coming here for the last 6 months, and I would now interested in your current assignments, which I hope to do better. And now I am starting for the second time, so I am happy and hopeful, and I am sure I will do much better than what I did last time. So what I want to say is, we should earn sufficiently to maintain ourselves at whatever age we are, not to be dependent on anybody. So earn in a proper manner and be contented. Earn sufficiently and keep yourself happy and enjoy the life for what it is worth. Exide Insurance, you see, one of the leading private insurance company, and dealing in all kinds of insurance, ranging from term, life insurance, child insurance, pension and insurance, and including child insurance, I think as well too. So, and I think we have paid among the higher then dividends throughout, and I'm also quite satisfied with it because I'm associated for the past 12 years, and okay, I'm quite happy with them, and then they give see our what we this accent is always on service to the customers, so which is always holds you in good stead because customer always remembers for the service, not see money everybody earns after all. Insurance company is not a charity organization. They will earn, but it's also we should give our service, and that's our motto. See, I was very happy to learn about the IndianMoney.com, particularly around regarding term insurance. See, frankly, term insurance, I had read it only in our manual. I mean, in our what our company has told, but the Mr. Sudhir's book, it gives really good points about the term insurance, and I think everybody should read it, and I'll make it a point to issue the copy of that to all my customers, and I in fact they say you collect 150 from each customer. I think I would do it will be better if I give them a complimentary copy, which they will always remember. Not only, you see, after all, when we get the at least the sort of customers which I hope to meet, so I would like to have a better relationship with them even after. See, it's not a one-off thing, premium collect kar leave, bas forget the customer. No, I don't do that, and this is one good chance of being remembered by the customer even long after we serve them.